Kalamera KRC-66DZB 30-inch wine cooler, 66-bottle dual-zone built-in and freestanding with stainless steel and glass French doors. The Kalamera KRC-66DZB 30-inch wine cooler, 66-bottle dual-zone built-in and freestanding with stainless steel and glass French door is probably your best bet if you're looking for a large-capacity cooler that can hold all your drinks easily. This particular model can accommodate up to 66 wine bottles in various sizes, and you can put other beverages inside the cooler as well, including cold drinks. Moreover, the Kalamera KRC-66DZB 30-inch wine cooler also boasts a built-in alarm that beeps, and the LED display glows if you or someone else has not closed the cooler's door properly. That safeguards your wines from fluctuations in temperature. In addition, this beverage cooler features an LED display control that's very easy to use, and you don't need to carry a user manual in your other hand while operating it. How about a couple of pros? The built-in alarm is a very useful feature, and it has very large storage capacity. Now a con. It's steeply priced and not easy to afford.